My name is Matt Veltkamp. I am a manager at Action Fabricators. We are mainly a 3M converter for the automotive industry. We've worked with Innovia for almost a year now. The experience has been great thus far. I would definitely say give them a shot. Our time with them has been a great team work together. We have come through a lot of struggles, and they've been right alongside us every step of the way. Yes, we were in the middle of a conversion in the middle of last year. We were running into some troubles, and we called up Innovia, and they were more than willing to drop everything that they were doing, come alongside us, and help us get through our conversion. We were not even officially partnered with them yet, so that was just great to see their willingness to work with us.